Welcome back to the 20EC607L Internet of Things Laboratory. Today we are going to discuss about the DHT11 interfacing with Arduino. Already we have completed the 4 experiments. First two is simulation and other one is other two we are just using the communicate with the Arduino board. So previously we have discussed about the programming and also that how to interface that programming with Arduino board. So the same step we are going to see that today DHT11 also. So the aim of this DHT11 interfacing with Arduino to write the program of DHT11 and display the output in a Arduino board. Apparatus required: Arduino IDE and then USB cable, jumper wires and DHT sensor, Arduino Uno kit. These are the apparatus required. And then now we are going to click the Arduino IDE. It takes a time. It initializing the packages, all your packages. Once this particular software has closed means again you have to open, means it will be again installing the all the packages. Okay, DHT11 sensor means what is that? It is a humidity and then temperature sensor. Digital humidity temperature sensor. It is to sense that up to that your 100 degrees Celsius it can be managed. That DHT12 and then DHT22 and all we have a 50 degrees Celsius only. This will be a advanced one, so that only we are using this DHT11 sensor. First go to file and click the new button. Now we are here you have to install the DHT sensor manage libraries. So without DHT sensor library we cannot use to run this program. So go to first click the file and after click the new, and before that we are going to click the tools. In the tools we are going to install the manage libraries. So within the manage libraries you are going to search the Adafruit, okay, and then DHT11 sensor library there. It takes a time. Click the manage library. Your library manager has to be pop up here. You just type it DHT11. So after DHT11 you need to check that where is DHT sensor libraries. So these DHT sensor library by Adafruit version. So you have to click install. After I already have installed this, after install that you have to check it out. You just close it. You just close it. Here you have to check it out. Examples, go to check that examples in the file menu. So now after that it will be scroll down here. Finally there will be it will be automatically installing that your DHT sensor library. So you need to go here tester, DHT tester. So this is a DHT tester program. This is a DHT tester program. So here we are going to see the DHT11 only. So you have to change that. Instead of 22 you have to change that 11. So you just given as a 2 cross mark, and then you have to release this command section. So this DHT pin is to a second pin only you are going to connecting here. So this is a program of your entire this experiment. So here you have to float you have to give that for your humidity and then temperature, and then normally we are going to checking that with the decimal values only, so that I am given as a float here, and then each thing humidity and temperature and heat index also it will be displayed in a serial monitor. So now I am going to verify this program. It's taking time. After that you need to connect that in your USB cable, Arduino board, and also your sensor. Okay, so after connecting that, this is the connection of the USB cable with your Arduino board. So this is a DHT sensor. Here the pin connection is 3 pin. The first one is a power, center one is a output, and last one is a ground. Here how the connection I have given, that means the first one you are having a power. So power, you have this orange color pin, it is going to be connecting here 5 volt here, see this, and then your second pin, that is your yellow pin. So in the program I have given that your second pin, so that I have given in the second pin, straightly I have given in the second pin, see this, and then your third pin is going to be connecting in that ground, so either here or then here. So whichever you are connect you want, you have to connect there. So this is the connection of this program. So if I press here, it will be automatically changing that your output there. So thank you. Now the connection part is you have seen here, and then after you have to go to upload. So these are the things in your procedure you have to write it down. So this is also clear, there is no error. So after this you need to go to check that in your serial monitor, click the tools and go to serial monitor. So defaultly it has shown that humidity values 36.00, temperature 31, and then in your Fahrenheit 87, and then heat index 30.38. If I press this, I am pressing here, so it is changing that your humidity values, it is simultaneously changing that humidity and then your temperature value here. That's all, your output is verified here. So thank you.